Hi dear friends! Cleaning fridge inside might be time consuming. It mostly depends on the volume of your fridge and how dirty is it. So allocate enough time to clean your fridge inside.
When you are cleaning your fridge inside, always start with upper shelf. Get it empty from food. Place items close by on the nearest counter. Then rinse the shelf with soapy water and wipe it down with paper towel. Do your best to pull out the shelf forward, since you want to clean side and back walls of the fridge around it, as well as shelf grooves to remove crumbs. Use a toothbrush to remove crumbs from shelf stitches and grooves. After thoroughly wiping down the shelf with paper towel, take a microfiber cloth and remove extra moisture from both top and bottom sides of the shelf. When you have finished with upper shelf, put all the food back on it. Clean next bottom shelves one after another until you reach the area with containers at the bottom. Pull out containers from the fridge and place them on the floor close by. You'll see a lot of crumbs and dirt at the bottom of your fridge. Take off the shelf above the containers and put it on kitchen countertop to clean it properly a bit later. Then take care of the bottom of your fridge. Remove crumbs and stains with wet paper towel. Don't forget to wipe the area down with a rag. When you put crisper shelf on the counter, do your best to take it to pieces. Pull out glass from it, then clean every piece separately to get the best possible result. Wash plastic pieces of crisper shelf with soapy wet paper towel. The glass rinse with water, remove sticky stains, then wipe down both sides of it with a rag. Put the shelf back into your fridge, which you have already cleaned all over. After that, clean thoroughly fruit containers. To clean crispers is easy. First, shake out crumbs. If there are stubborn stains, remove them with wet paper towel. Finally, take a microfiber cloth and give them a mirror-like polish. Then place them back into your fridge. When you are done with cleaning main part of your fridge, put down food and dishes back into it. After that, get down to cleaning fridge door. Use the same approach. Clean up to down. Empty upper shelf. Spray soapy water on sticky stains and remove them with wet paper towel. Delete excess of moisture with microfiber cloth. While putting food back into the fridge, check their expiration dates and threw away those which expired. Finish cleaning inside the fridge with wiping down sealing rubber. First, wipe it down with wet paper towel, removing white hint. Then, dry it up with microfiber cloth.